Hi everyone, it's Paul, W2PAK. Last video, we looked at the installation of my 6-band trapped vertical over salt water. This video, we're going to look at the real-life performance of that antenna. Come join me. All right, now we're in the shack. Let's look for some DX stations and bust some pileups.
Fantastic signal. And the video line into Rindal, central Norway, the heavily strong pullover. It's really fantastic to listen to here. Very good audio there and fantastic signal strength. Good setup you have there. Wow, fantastic. The vertical is 700 watts. Wow. It's 22 moment. The moment is perfect, your modulation. From 95. Very, very good job for the vertical antenna.
5 and 9 on the last over, go ahead.
Whiskey 2, Papa Alpha Kilo, and 5 and 9, we both name it William Kazal. 5 and 8, Paul. Pressure to make contact with you again. W2, Papa Alpha Kilo, 5 9.
Alright, thank you very much, Paul, for the 5 and 8. I have you here 5 and 7. 5 and 7, very nice audio. But I even got a pile up here at the German station. That's always fun at the club station.
Now we busted some pileups with good signal reports. It took once or twice to get in. Now what we're going to do is we're going to call CQ. Let's see what happens. CQ, 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 calling CQDX, CQDX. This is Whiskey 2, Papa, Alpha Kilo.
Okay, the name is 1 Kilo Oscar Echo November, your real 5 and 9 years in the north part of Belgium, Kirsten. Your signal report is 15 over 9. Very strong and big signal here in Germany, near Cologne.
Thank you. Tango India 2, Juliet Papa 5 9.
Whiskey 2, Papa Alpha Kilo, over 3 FY. 5 9 plus tempo, very good signal, very strong from Bulgaria.
QRZ, Whiskey 2, Papa, Alpha Kilo.
Yeah, that's good. So I got you a good 5 9.
So, you saw the antenna system performs pretty well. I entitled this video, The Best Antenna System for Me. For me, because at my QTH, this is the best antenna that I can have. It works really well. I optimized it based on my QTH. I can't put big towers up, I can't put big Yagis up, but I can take a modest antenna and optimize it. I can use the salt water to my advantage, figure out how many radials I need, figure out how exactly it needs to be mounted. My advice is look at your QTH and figure out which antenna system will do the best job at your QTH. I hope you enjoyed this video. 73, my friends.